Hey, good morning guys. Malcolm here with Benchmark Realty. I'm outside of this home that just popped up on the market for $50,000. So I had to come check it out. If you didn't know, not only am I a real estate agent, I'm an investor as well. So I love looking for opportunities, and maybe, hey, I had to come check this out to see if it could be an opportunity. So as you can see, this house is pretty much boarded up all the way around. Just off the bat, I'm noticing that there is a foundation crack right down the middle of the garage, and then we got some movement down here at the bottom as well. Pretty much there's a hole in the roof for sure. Definitely gonna need windows, and you'll see inside. I want to give you a view of the lot though as well. Nice corner lot. As you can see, the homes around it are actually nice homes, especially this one right here on the other corner. They take good care of their home for sure. So a big corner lot. Fence definitely needs to be replaced. You can see on the side as well, it's gonna need some siding, and I'll walk around the back in a minute. Across the street, there's a Dollar General, open land, some warehouse space on the other side. Let's walk around the side and check it out. And I basically want y'all to check this property out with me and let me know what you think about it, if you think it would be a good investment. So I looked at some properties that have sold nearby recently, and there was one that was 100 square feet smaller, and it sold for $266,000. So I'm thinking maybe this one can go for like $275 if it's done well. That's just a rough estimate. I still got to run some numbers. As you can see, the siding needs to be replaced on the back, doors, windows, roof on that side as well. The deck needs to be redone. All things that can be done. The question is, what's the cost? New HVAC system is needed as well. So definitely a property that's going to need some work. However, like I said, it's in a good area, good location. So, you know, if the numbers make sense, I think it could possibly be a good investment. So let's go check out the inside. As you can see, we have some snow on the ground. You wouldn't believe yesterday that we had a massive flooding in the area, over 6.5 inches of rain in 24 hours, then a tornado threat at night, and then you wake up to snow. Welcome to Tennessee. All right, let's go check out the inside of this house. Yeah, it was 60 degrees yesterday, and today it's woke up at 32 and snowy. All right, so as you walk in immediately, you can see that it's pretty much gutted. It's gonna basically be a rebuild of a house. No drywall, no appliances, flooring. Here's the kitchen area right here. Here's the eat-in kitchen. Sorry, there's no light. So, but this is where the kitchen is right here. As you can see, cabinetry is there. Sorry, it's super dark. This right here would be your laundry room. So you'll have a washer here. You're gonna have to use your imagination. Dryer over here. And it would walk out to the garage, go out to the attic there. The exterior door here. All right, that's where your stove and your microwave would go, and here is where your refrigerator would go. All right, so eat-in kitchen area right here would be your back door to your to the backyard, so that has to be replaced. And this would be your living room right here. This is your living room area right here. Imagine your TV would be there, a little couch here. So it's not bad. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,250 square foot home. This is your secondary bathroom right here. Single vanity. Obviously it doesn't matter because everything would have to be redone in this property. Thank God for the hole in the roof. It gives us a little bit of light. It's hilarious. All right, this is your one of the additional bedrooms. So let's say bedroom number 3 is here. As you can see, you walk in here, window, and then you'll have a small closet. Somebody left a dog toy. All right, this will be a hallway. This will be bedroom number 2 right here. That would be your closet space there. So good sized bedroom, not bad at all. This would definitely be a major project for sure. And this would be your primary bedroom right here. So imagine your king size bed right here, just walking through the water, laying in bed. I don't know about that. All right, you'll have a closet over here. All right, and then the primary bathroom is here. So we have a single vanity right here, single tub. Obviously, none of this would matter because all of this would have to be replaced, but that's what the placement would look like. All right, so we'll walk back out the primary, bedroom number 2 over there, bedroom number 3, extra second bathroom, living room area here, front door there with the closet space. And I'll just do this one more time. The kitchen, eat-in kitchen, you put a table here, and there's your kitchen and your laundry over there as well. All right. So obviously, guys, if you've been walking around this property, you can see this would be a major job, and it would even be hard to figure out how much it would cost to get all of these things done. Luckily, I have a great contractor that I can reach out to, and I'm gonna send him this video, and I'm gonna let him tell me what he thinks about how much he thinks it would cost to get it done, and how long it would take. So when you're investing and when you're a real estate investor, it's good to have good people on your team. I'm sure you heard that before. I have a great contractor that I go and basically we team up and look at a project and see how much is this gonna cost, and we make a decision if we think the juice is worth the squeeze. So if you're gonna start a journey in real estate investing, your team is important, all right? So you need a good real estate agent. Luckily, I'm a real estate agent, so I'll look at that. And you also need a good contractor to help you make estimates on how much work will cost. So I'm gonna run the numbers on this. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this property. Is this something that you would invest in? It's on the market right now for $50,000. Like I said, there was one that sold about a couple months ago for $266, and it was a little smaller. So if I had to guess, let's just say for conservative numbers, $270,000. And obviously we need to figure out how much it would cost to repair all of this and see if the juice is worth the squeeze. It becomes simple math after that. But yeah, let me know in the comments. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get more cool content like this. And if you have any questions about real estate at all, I'm right here in the Clarksville, Fort Campbell area. Would love to help you out on your real estate journey, whether you're moving here as a first-time home buyer or you're a real estate investor or want to learn about real estate investing. Give me a like. My contact is in the description. Would love to help you out. My name is Malcolm. Welcome to Fort Campbell, Clarksville. Let me know if you have any questions. You guys have a great day. Look forward to your comments. I look forward to seeing your comments below. Have a great day. Peace.